We get another kitty.
We did.
What did we get?
I think this is the black and white one. Nope,
it's a
nope,
calico.
The other calico.
Oh, she's tiny.
She's way tiny.
Okay. Come here. Mama. Come here. Mama kitty. You're fixed now. You'll never have kittens again. Bob, and we got Mom and Daddy back. And we're gonna return them. I'm gonna open the cages. Mommy, you know where you're at? It's Mama. Got Mama. Hey, Mama. Mama going here. Hi, Mama. You go on the side of the video. There you go, Mama. Let Daddy back too. Okay. Come on, Daddy. Okay, they're in there. That's what they're used to, so let them remember their area.